This video is to show everyone my first couple of attempts at using photogrammetry to do computer modeling. Photogrammetry is a method where you use a camera to take photographs in a 360-degree field of a subject, and you bring those photos into a piece of software, and the software takes those photos and it constructs a mesh out of them. And you might want to know why the handlebars didn't render out as part of the model for the four-wheeler. I'm thinking that one, the quality of the photos wasn't high enough. There weren't enough photos in the data set given how complex the geometry of the vehicle is. I'm using a piece of software called Meshroom by Alice Vision, and for the video that you're watching now I used Blender 3D. Both of these pieces of software are free to use and general public license, and they will run on most all modern computers that are less than, say, 5 years old. For the Meshroom software, you will need a CUDA graphics card, which would be NVIDIA, a fairly modern NVIDIA card. But other than that, it's free to use, and the results are really super. That's all I can say. The software did this with very few pictures, less than 40 samples. I walked around the four-wheeler and took pictures a few steps apart in not really a circle, but kind of a square circle type pattern. It doesn't have to be exact. These samples do not have to be exact, but as you can see, the statue model turned out very well. I did do just the slightest bit of sculpting in Blender, and I mean very little sculpting, and I reduced the topology just a little bit. I did a decimation run on the statue, but you can see it's really remarkable. This is just with a camera. This is with a smartphone camera. My camera is, I will call it a throwaway plastic smartphone camera, and I'm just amazed by this. The textures are there. It puts the textures from the pictures right on the model. I am absolutely astonished. And that is all.